And they found out that Amazon is still working as a carbon sink, which means that is still sequestering more carbon dioxide that is releasing. However, because the gain was of only 0.1%, it could quickly flip to a carbon source, releasing more carbon that is able to sequester, and consequently increase the changes for the global warming. Here is a partnership that Planet has with CCCON that you can see that they are here in the event. And through this partnership, they provide images to the Brazilian Federal Police. And with these daily images, the police is able to make more than 3,000 interventions and collect 3 billion in fines, seized goods, and access in the past years, because they have this very temporal resolution access to images and to deforestation that are happening at almost real time. Now I'm going to show you an open access program that we have at Planet. This program is called NICFI. NICFI stands for Norway's International Climate and Forest Initiative. And basically, through this program, Planet provides free Planescope images in areas located in the tropics and for non-commercial purposes. And I will show some interesting applications that users are making with this data. Here I'm focused more in forest application, but we have a variety of other applications as well. The first one is from the initiative called Conserve. Basically, Conserve program here in Brazil, they pay landowners to keep the native forest that they have in their land intact. Otherwise, this forest could be destroyed. And they use Planet data to check if the landowners are compiling with the contract and are keeping the forest as they're supposed to. Otherwise, they'll suffer some consequences that they can review the contract terms. The second use case is from CONAFOR in Mexico, and they use Planet data in their deforestation early warning system. So basically, they use the Planet data to calibrate and to validate the models, because the algorithm is based on Sentinel-2 that has a coarser spatial and temporal resolution. And here in these these 4 first figures here, you can see different time steps of Planet data in an area that was detected deforestation. And we can see that the deforestation alert was confirmed, because we can check in the Planescope data, confirm that deforestation happened in this area in red. And in the second case in the bottom, they did the same. They compared the Planescope different time steps, and they noticed that there was deforestation happening, but the alert system didn't detect it. So they're going to use this information to recalibrate and improve their models. In this paper published by Delagnol and co-authors, they mapped the degradation in Brazil using NICFI data and a UNet. And they not only mapped the degradation, but they were also able to classify the type of degradation happening because of the high spatial resolution of the data. So they classify deforestation by logging, forest fire, and roads. And they also provide a probability map of each kind of degradation. Also is from the same research group, in this case the CITRIS. They recently launched a platform called RED Plus AI, where they use NICFI data to map deforestation in the tropics. In this platform, you can click on any polygon located in the tropics and get the full stats, the full information of deforestation and what kind of degradation is happening across time. And finally, some open source contributions, because at Planet we not only use all these open source repositories to build our workflows, but we also find it very important to contribute to improve to these repositories. So here we have a list of examples of pull requests that my team and other colleagues at Planet submit to open source repositories. We had many contributions in PyStack, in Stack Tools, GDAO, others, and GeoGlyph, SatClip, RealTiler, LastPy, and many others. And this is the last slide. If you are interested in testing some Planet data, you can go to Planet Sandbox and use a trial account from Sentinel Hub, and you can access any of the Planet products for a few selected AOIs, including the forest carbon diligence is there. Monitoring is coming soon, maybe next week. That's all. Thank you. Obrigada. If you have any questions. Okay.